We'll start with today's class. Yeah, good morning. That is two modes of nutrition. So yesterday I have taught you two methods, two modes of nutrition. Understanding. One is autotrophic mode of nutrition, and the second one is heterotropic mode of nutrition. So let us comes to the first one, autotrophic mode of nutrition. If it comes to the word called as autotrophic, the word auto means, remember the word auto means self, and tropy means nutrition. Tropy means nutrition. So this is only called as autotropy. Means self-nutrition. Self-nutrition is called as autotrophic mode of nutrition. So those who can carried out the nutrition process by themselves. Understand? So that is only called as autotrophic understanding mode of nutrition. So auto means self and tropy means nutrition. So if you'll combine this word, autotrophic, autotrophic means self-nutrition. What we used to call self.
Self-nutrition.
So now
Self-nutrition.
autotrophic nutrition, what will happen means in the sense of if you consider the organisms, I am not saying it is particularly plants, I am not saying it is particularly animals. In this autotrophic nutrition, I am using a word called as here organisms. Remember, it may be a plants or maybe animals. Later only we can come to know. Understand? In this autotrophic nutrition, the organisms makes its own food from the inorganic raw materials. The organisms makes or you can use a scientific word called as synthesizes. They will makes or synthesizes its own food from where its own food its own food they will make from where raw materials must be inorganic materials. Remember, understanding the food from the inorganic raw materials. Inorganic raw materials. What is that inorganic raw materials? Can you able to say what is that inorganic raw materials? Inorganic raw materials like carbon dioxide and water present in the surroundings. That's all. So this is only called as inorganic substances. So you may ask me the question, what is inorganic substances means, sir? If we'll keep the fire, which does not catch the fire and which does not burn with the flame are called as inorganic substances. So if any kind of organism will produce the food, will synthesizes the food from inorganic raw materials, like carbon dioxide and water is only known as autotrophic mode of nutrition. Understand? So from this we can say that autotrophic nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which an organism synthesizes its own food from where? From where they will synthesize the food?
Inorganic materials.
Inorganic. That
Inorganic raw
Organic
materials.
raw materials.
Raw materials.
without that word, there is no meaning of the autotrophic mode of nutrition. All of you should remember. Inorganic, a simple inorganic materials like what? They are carbon dioxide and what is that another one?
Water.
Water. So
Water.
inorganic materials, a simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water, which are present in where? Which are present in where? Which are present in our
In the
surroundings.
surroundings.
Our surroundings. Understanding under surroundings, and as well as one more thing, under something it must be taking place with the help of some other thing that is only called as sunlight.
Sunlight.
Sunlight. This is only called as autotrophic mode of nutrition. And you remember here, the food is an organic material. If you take the food which is producing by using these inorganic materials, Inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water, which are present in our surroundings, they are making, that organisms are making food. But this food is a what? That food is a what? Organic or inorganic? This food is
Organic.
Organic.
organic substance. Understanding? Which contains what? Like glucose, sucrose, understanding, etc. That is so. So they all are organic material. So that is, we are making the food. Organisms are producing the food from inorganic materials. But that food is organic substance. Food is organic substance. So that means that we can say in autotrophic nutrition, organic material, food is made from inorganic materials like what are inorganic materials?
Carbon dioxide and
Carbon
water.
dioxide,
Carbon dioxide and water.
by utilizing whom? By utilizing the
Sunlight.
sunlight energy. That is only called
Right.
as autotrophic mode of nutrition. Now, if you'll observe the organism, which organism will make this one? I can say the green plants alone. The green plants alone have an autotrophic mode of nutrition. Understand? The green plants alone have an autotrophic mode of nutrition. So, and also the autotrophic bacteria, you may observe, I will say the names also. The autotrophic bacteria also obtain their food by the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Understand? So, you remember, is it all the bacteria are autotrophic mode of nutrition? No, only few bacteria. We'll study the names also. Understand? So, few autotrophic bacteria are present. So they can obtain their food by the autotrophic mode of nutrition only. But no, the most of the bacteria are not. Most of the bacteria are not autotrophic. They are heterotrophic mode of nutrition only. Please unmute. Somebody is making noise. That is. So the organisms which is having autotrophic mode of nutrition, they are called as what we used to call autotrophic organisms, or just we can call as autotroph. What we should call? Those who are having
Autotroph.
mode of nutrition, we used to call them as autotrophs. Autotrophs are autotrophic organisms. So who is having autotrophic mode of nutrition? Only green plants as
Green plant.
few bacteria.
Green plant.
Autotrophic bacteria. That's all. So now if you observe, we can say autotrophs. So those who are having an autotrophic mode of nutrition, so they are, we used to call them as autotrophic organisms are just autotrophs. So from that I can say a standard definition for autotrophs, what we should call? Those organisms which can make their food from inorganic substances. Who is that? Inorganic substances. Who is that?
Carbon dioxide and water.
Carbon dioxide and water.
Water. Without that, you cannot make any definition. Maybe for autotrophic organisms, or maybe autotrophs, or maybe autotrophic mode of nutrition. Whatever it is, you have to use these two words. What is that? Carbon dioxide and water are only called as autotrophs. Are only called as autotrophs. So if we take this carbon dioxide and water, they are what? Organic or inorganic substances? They are the
Inorganic substances.
Inorganic.
They are the inorganic substances. They are the inorganic substances. So we can say that those organisms which can make their own food from where? From inorganic substances present in the environment, in our surroundings, present in the environment is only known as what we should call autotrophs. We should call autotrophs. So I used to say so many definitions for this, which is more convenient for you. You can use to that one. So if we'll take here, understanding all the green plants are autotrophs because why? Because they can make their own food from inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water, which is present in the
With the help of sunlight.
that is the
Atmosphere.
why we can call all the green plants, all the green all the green plants are autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. So if we'll take non-green plants, few plants we know already, understanding, which are non-green. Understanding, green plants opposite to that non-green plants. So non-green plants, they are autotrophs or not autotrophs? They are not.
Not auto.
We'll take non-green plants. Non-green plants, so they are not autotrophs. Because why they are not autotrophs?
So because they
Because
don't have
they do
chlorophyll.
not prepare
Cannot
their
contain
own.
chlorophyll.
They cannot produce food by using inorganic substances which are present in the environment. So certain bacteria also can produce, understanding, food by their own. So that bacteria alone we can call as autotrophic bacteria. What we used to call autotrophic
Autotrophic bacteria.
But most of the bacteria are what? Most of the bacteria are what?
Heterotrophic mode of nutrition.
Heterotrophic mode of
We don't know that till now. That is why we should not use heterotrophic. We have to use not autotrophic. Understand? Not autotrophic. That is what we should use. We should not use, because we don't know heterotrophic mode of nutrition till now. We have not studied. So that we will use only not autotrophs. Understanding, Amma? So this is all about what is autotrophic mode of nutrition. Now if you'll observe, this autotrophic mode of nutrition, who has been carried out this autotrophic mode of nutrition? Only autotrophic organisms, or we used to call it as autotrophs. Only these
autotroph.
carried out this new mode of nutrition. Correct or not? So
Yes, sir.
these autotrophic organisms, why they are carrying out this mode of nutrition means they contain one green pigment called as, what is that? Can you able to say?
Chlorophyll.
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 That green pigment is called as chlorophyll.
Chloro.
CHLOROPHYL. So chlorophyll. So because of this chlorophyll only. Why? What is the reason? Chlorophyll is having a capacity of what? Chlorophyll is having a capacity of what?
Green pigment.
It can capable of. No, it is green pigment. Everybody knows. Why?
Capturing the sun.
It can capable of
Capturing the sunlight.
trapping the sunlight. That is the
Sunlight.
reason. Trapping the sunlight. So the only pigment which can trap the sunlight is only called as what? Chlorophyll. That is the reason why, understanding, autotrophs or autotrophic organisms are called as autotrophic mode of nutrition. They can generate their own food. So this trapped sunlight by whom? This trapped sunlight by whom?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. This trapped sunlight by chlorophyll is only utilizes by, understanding, it utilizes by the autotrophs to make food by combining inorganic materials like, what is that? Inorganic materials. Inorganic materials like
Carbon dioxide and water.
Carbon dioxide and water.
present in the environment, which is present in the environment by the process of, that full process is called as what? We have one name. They will produce the food.
Photosynthesis.
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 That is. So present in the inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water, which are present in the environment by the process called as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. So that is only called as autotrophic mode of nutrition. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. So this food, these autotrophs makes their own food by the process of what? Makes their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So I can say autotrophs are the producers of food. Is it yes or no? So they are making their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So that is why I can call these autotrophs are called as, what we should call, consumers or producers?
Producers.
That is why these autotrophs are called as producers of food. What we should call? What we should call?
Producers of
Producers of food. So these all the things, whatever the autotrophs which will produce the food by using photosynthesis action, chemical reaction. So they are called as producers of food. Producers of food. That is only called as photosynthesis. So this food produced by autotrophs, whatever the food which is produced by autotrophs. Autotrophs means what? Only most of the green plants. Is it correct? All the green plants as well as few bacteria. So bacteria
Some bacteria.
we won't use. So only this autotrophs means in the sense of green plants. So whatever the food which is produced by the green plants will be consumed. Understand? Will be used by whomra? Will be used by
human.
human beings and many
Animals.
other animals. Every animal, understanding, is consuming the food which is produced by the green plants only. Directly or indirectly, we are depending on this is on. Is it yes or no? Most probably humans are
Yes.
depending on this producers only, because these producers only will produce the food with the help of understanding sunlight with another inorganic substances which is present in the environment. So that food is only we are consuming. Whatever we are eating daily, which is also, it is produced by whom? Produced by the producers of food. They are only called as autotrophs. Mode of nutrition is called as autotrophic mode of nutrition. You
Nutrition.
you understand or not? That is called
Yes,
as
sir.
autotrophic mode of nutrition. So whenever you are writing a word, not now beginning, at the end of the lesson also, whenever you heard a word called as autotrophic, immediately you should remember the word called as what? Inorganic
Green.
substances. Inorganic substances. Understanding? So inorganic substances. Why inorganic substances? Because autotrophic mode of
They are
nutrition is the mode of nutrition which we are getting which they are producing the food with the help of what? They are making the organic
Inorganic
with
substances.
the help of inorganic.
inorganic
Inorganic
substances.
That is a word that without that words there is no meaning of that. That is the reason why we should mention organic and inorganic substances. Now all of you kindly write. Keep today's day and all, and you write. So can you
Say the name of the autotrophic bacteria, sir.
bacteria? It will come. You don't worry. It will come when we are going on. It will come. Okay. So now you
Okay.
write now. So what is the example? Suppose you can say corn, popcorn we people used to use. So corn is a food which we are using. So this corn cob has been made by corn plants. Is it yes or no? If you take this corn
Yes,
cob,
sir.
it is made by the corn plants. By the process of what?
Yes.
By the process of whom?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. As well as if you'll see carrot is produced. Carrots are a food. So that carrots have been made by carrot plants by the process of again what?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
So that is everything, every plant, whatever the food we are consuming.
But why the
What am I?
same process? No, sorry, everything they are
Everything,
taking. But
everything.
why the
Which-
products are not different?
What am I? Products alone inside that.
No, sir. Products are not different, sir.
Products
Same
alone
process
different
only,
means
sir.
see,
Same
same process is, but different by produced by different green plant. Correct? It is not done by same green plant. Different characters, different kind of food will be produced. Understand?
Okay, sir.
All are not having same characteristic. Correct? Is it all the plants having similar structure, similar characteristics?
No, sir.
That is the reason different food. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is. Okay. Understand, Alini?
Yes, sir.
So now you can write. Ashika, you want? Cyanobacteria is an example of autotrophic mode of nutrition. You can note it. Cyanobacteria.
Okay, sir.
Write it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. Right. Autotrophic nutrition is that. Autotrophic nutrition is that. Autotrophic nutrition is that. Autotrophic nutrition is that Can I say? Autotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition, mode of nutrition, mode of nutrition mode of nutrition in which an organism, in which an organism, in which an organism makes or also we can use what, Ra? We can use a word called as synthesizes.
Synthesizes.
Synthesis.
Whatever the word you want, you can use it. Makes its own food from the simple organic materials. Its own food from the simple inorganic materials. Simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water, like carbon dioxide and water, present in the surroundings, bracket what you will write, with the help of whom, with the help of whom?
Sunlight.
Sunlight.
Understand? With the help of sunlight energy, so now
After carbon dioxide and water, what will come?
carbon dioxide and water present in our surroundings, or else you can use a word called as environment. Everything, whatever it is convenient for you, you can use it. Environment. Okay, with the help of sunlight energy, present in our surroundings with the help of sunlight energy. So that is only called as what, Ra? Autotrophic mode of nutrition. Now let us make a simple everything. So now before this autotrophic mode of nutrition, they are all called as what? Inorganic substances. Is it correct or not?
Inorganic.
So inorganic
Yes, sir.
substances just under what? Under sunlight.
Sunlight and chlorophyll.
Understanding. So that inorganic substances is called as CO2 and water. So
Water.
we used to get organic substances. Organic substance, so which is like glucose. So that is only called as glucose. No need to write photosynthesis reaction, that everybody knows. Just for our purpose, I am saying. Inorganic substances turning into
That
organic.
arrow can we include chlorophyll also?
Chlorophyll, that is, then it is indicating what? Photosynthesis, correct? Just I am saying we are not using photosynthesis reaction. Just I am saying in autotrophic mode of nutrition, inorganic substances under the sunlight will produce as organic substances. That is only called as what? Autotrophic mode of nutrition. Now here, which will be takes place by green plants. In green plants, a substance, a pigment called as, what is the pigment? A chlorophyll, which is capable of trapping the sunlight energy. So that sunlight energy will be utilized by the autotrophs to make food by combining whom? By combining inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water.
Carbon dioxide and water.
In the environment, by the process of photosynthesis, they will produce the organic substance called as food. Understanding? So this is only the food produced by the all the kinds of autotrophic organisms are autotrophs. Understand? So now, right. Green plants have, this you write it kindly. Green plants have, oh, some disturbance is coming. Please unmute. Green plants have an autotrophic mode of nutrition. Green plants have an autotrophic mode of nutrition. Full stop. The autotrophic bacteria also. Green plants have an autotrophic mode of nutrition. Full stop. The autotrophic bacteria also obtain their food by the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Obtain their food by the autotrophic mode of nutrition. By the autotrophic mode of nutrition. By the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Full stop. Next point. Those organisms which can make their own food, from carbon dioxide and water are called autotrophs. Pranav, are you understanding? Are you writing or not? Dilipan, Varshini?
Yes, sir.
That is. So, what we can call those organisms which can make their own food from carbon dioxide and water are called autotrophs. Autotrophs also we can call it as what? Autotrophic organisms. That is both, you remember. So autotrophic organisms or autotrophs, both the meaning is same. So this is all about the autotrophic mode of nutrition. So you know that process called as photosynthesis. A green pigment called as, who is that green pigment? The green pigment is known as chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
Grab the sunlight, then by using these inorganic substances, they will produce the food. That's all. So that is why we used to call it as, understanding, autotrophs. This point you should note it down. Autotrophs is known as, what we should call? They are known as producers of food. That is most important. Producers of food. That is, you should note it down. So autotrophs are called as producers of food. That's all. So if we'll go with this, then as we know that the food produced by these autotrophs, green plants, is used by human beings and many other animals. So now that mode of nutrition is only called as what? Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So let us go for the second type of mode of nutrition is called as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So this is also, if you observe, heterotrophic is made up of two words called as heteros. Heteros means what, Ra? Autos over now. Auto over now heterotrophic. H-E-T-E-R-O. H-E-T-E-R-O. Heterotrophic. Tell me now, what is the meaning of heteros? If you take a word called as H-E-T-E-R-O-S, heteros. Heteros means, remember, what is the meaning of heteros? H-E-T-E-R-O-S, heteros. Don't know? You don't know? No. Yes or no? Nobody knows. What is the meaning of heteros? Pranav? Akshaya? Varshini? What is the meaning of? Then what are you studying here? She has completed the lesson, correct? Okay. Alni will say. Padma, Varshini? What is the meaning of heteros? Heterotrophic.
They're making its own food.
I don't want that. Making of their own food. Making of their own
Sir,
food.
no, sir,
So they
taking
not
from
make
others,
their
sir.
own food.
They're taking from others, sir.
I don't want Arvind.
Yes, sir.
Arvind, I am just asking what is the meaning of heteros. You already studied, correct? Madam used to teach you, correct? That is just a word I am asking. What is the meaning of heteros? Taking the food from others and all, I am not asking. Just heteros means others. That's all. Understand? So heteros means others. And tropes. What is the meaning of trope? Last time also you have studied. What is the meaning of tropy? Trope means what? Nutrition. That's all. Understanding. Self-nutrition is called as autotrophic. Heterotrophic means nutrition obtained from others. That's all. So now, total word, if you take heterotrophic. So what is the meaning of heterotrophic? Heterotrophic means nutrition obtained from others. Nutrition. Understanding. Obtained from others. That is the meaning of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heteros means others. Tropy means nutrition. So heterotrophic means nutrition obtained from others is only called as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So in this heterotrophic mode of nutrition? Is it organisms they can produce their own food? Is it organisms produce their own food?
No,
No,
they
sir.
depend on others
They
for food.
cannot
Depend on
produce their
water
own
drop.
food. They cannot synthesize their own food. So in this heterotrophic nutrition, the organisms cannot make, they can make here, they cannot make, or we can write synthesizes. They cannot synthesize its own food from the inorganic raw materials. Like here also you should use inorganic raw materials. What is that inorganic raw materials? Inorganic raw materials. Carbon dioxide, water. They cannot produce, understanding, their own food by inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water, and uses the food always made by whom? They will only utilize the food which is made by whom? Made by whom? Made by
Others. Others.
autotrophic, made by autotrophic organisms or autotrophs, maybe directly or maybe indirectly. That is what understanding. So these heterotrophs, they cannot produce their own food.
Sir,
They
but
cannot
some
synthesize their
animals,
own food by using of inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water, but always they will depend on the understanding the food made by autotrophic organisms or autotrophs directly or indirectly. So from this we can say that we can make a definition for heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Can anybody say what is that heterotrophic
sir,
mode of nutrition?
indirectly means,
Any definition? Just try to make
sir,
your own
how
definition.
indirectly, sir?
The
What is it?
organisms which do not produce their own food
Organism.
and depend on autotrophs for their nutrition are called.
What I said, you have to use a word called as always inorganic substances, carbon dioxide as well as water. Without that, you cannot form a definition of autotrophic or heterotrophic. So now let us come to the heterotrophic now. If we'll take heterotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition. It is a method of nutrition in which an organism cannot make, there can make, here cannot make or synthesize its own food from a simple inorganic materials. What is that inorganic materials? A simple inorganic
Carbon dioxide
material
and water.
like carbon dioxide and water, and always they will depends on whom, Akshaya? Yes, always they will depends on and other
Autotrophs.
organisms for its food. That is all. So that other organisms means the food which is made by autotrophic. So the food which is made by autotrophic organisms, they will be utilized as always directly or indirectly. That is only called as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So now, in this heterotrophic organism is a consumer. Always you remember, it is not a producer. It is a consumer which derives its nutrition from other organism. It is a heterotrophic organism is called as consumer, which is always derives. Derives means what? Which is always gets, understanding, which is always derives its nutrition from other organisms. From other organisms. You understand or not? From other organisms, always they will derive their food. That is why these organisms, heterotrophic organisms, is called as what we should call consumers. What we should call them? Consumers. So all the animals, if we'll take this, all the heterotrophic organisms has to eat other organisms for its nutrition. If they want their mode of nutrition, they must eat some other organisms. So if we'll take example, all the animals have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. There is no animal which will show, understanding, autotrophic mode of nutrition. So all the animals have a heterotrophic mode of nutrition, as well as most of the bacteria, as well as fungi, understanding, fungi, understanding, are also have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Most of the bacteria as well as fungi is also have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So that is why those organisms having heterotrophic mode of nutrition, we used to call as what? We used to call them as heterotrophic organisms. What we should call Ra? Heterotrophic organisms, or we can call it as what? Heterotrophs, or we can call them as heterotrophs. But note it down, Allah. Or we can call them as heterotrophs. Understand? So this is only called as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. For example, you can see. Suppose if you take deer. Deer always eats what? Ra? Deer, if you take. Deer always eats what?
Leaf.
Deer always
Leaves.
eats what? Grass or
Green plants.
plant leaves. Yes or no? So that is why we can say, understanding, deer eating plants leaves as a food. Like if you take a tiger, lion and all, they will eat what? They will eat this deer. Is it yes or no? Tiger, everything it will eat, eating a deer as a food. Like that if you take a brown bear, a polar bear or any kind of bear, they used to eat what? Brown bear about to eat what? Fish. Fish as a food. Is it yes or no? They used to dig the ice and they used to eat that fish which is present inside the water. Is it yes or no? So that is why. So those organisms which cannot make their own food from inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water and depends on other organisms for their food are only called as what we should call? What we should call? What we should call?
Heterotrophs.
Heterotrophs. So all the animals are heterotrophs because they cannot make food from inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water, and they will only depend, understanding, on obtaining the food from other plants and other animals. So some animals can depend on plants and some other animals can depend on that animals which can eat the plants. So that directly or indirectly we people are dependent